Hello students, welcome to your geography class. We will be doing the third lesson, physiography and drainage. You all know that India has 5 physical divisions. They are the Himalayas, the North Indian Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains and the islands. As you all know about the Himalayas, we move ahead with the next physiographic division. It is the North Indian Plains. Children, you must be wondering how are the North Indian Plains formed. In ninth standard, you have studied about the mountain building and the Rift Valley, the fold mountains, block mountains, Rift Valley. Again, this formation of plain is a part of that process only. When the Himalayas uplifted from the Tethys Sea, what happened? The peninsular plateau subsided. Now, due to the subsidence of the northern part of the peninsular plateau, large basin was created. Gradually, basin was filled with the deposition which was brought about by the rivers flowing from the Himalayas. You all know that the Himalayan rivers are perennial and they bring about a lot of deposition. It makes the soil alluvial, and this is how the North Indian Plain was formed. North Indian Plain extends between the Himalayas and the Peninsular Plateau, and its extent from east to west if we see. It extends from Assam in the east to Punjab and Rajasthan in the west. In the given map, you all can see the area covered in green is the North Indian Plains. It covers the states of Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, part of Jharkhand, Meghalaya, Assam and Tripura. The North Indian Plain is divided into two parts by the Aravalli Ranges. The part to the east of Aravalli Range is totally different from the one in the west. Now the part which is to the west of Aravalli again has two distinct features. One part to the west lies is the Punjab, and it is known as the wheat bowl of India. It is fed mainly by the water of 5 rivers. You all know that: Ravi, Chenab, Byas, Satluj and Jhelum. But just go little south to it and you reach Rajasthan, which is known as Thar Desert. Now see children, the wheat bowl and the desert area both lie to the western part of Aravalli Ranges. But as we move towards the eastern part, that is the eastern part of Aravalli Range. We have the Ganga Basin and the Brahmaputra Basin. The Ganga Plain is the most fertile plains. The Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers form a delta region known as Sundarbans. This delta is formed in the state of West Bengal. You all can see Sundarbans there. Sundarban is the world's largest delta region. We begin with the Punjab Plains. Punjab Plains is in India also, and it extends in Pakistan also. This plain in India spreads over the states of Punjab and Haryana, and it is extensively farmed for cereals and cottons. We know it is called the wheat bowl of India. Right, this plain has flourished a lot. The Green Revolution started here. Then the first and rather the big multi-purpose project, Bhakranangal Dam, is again lying in this area only. The plain is the western part of northern plain in Pakistan, which is formed by Indus River. That is, from India, if you move towards Pakistan, the Indus River forms the plains there. The western part of the northern plain formed by Indus and its tributaries. The tributaries are, just now I told you, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas and Satluj. But the plain is mainly dominated by Doabs, that is the land between two water bodies. Here which water bodies? Obviously they are the rivers. Now I told you, just below the Punjab Plains we have the biggest desert, and that is the Thar Desert, also known as Great Indian Desert and Marusthali in Indian language. It is a large arid region in the northwestern part of Indian subcontinent. It is the world's ninth largest subtropical desert, and remember one thing, it is a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. It extends even to the run of Kutch, that is in the state of Gujarat. This desert extends, and you all must have seen in that movie Sarfaroz, that Mirchi Seth from Rajasthan, he was actually smuggling the things. So it lies there. It is a border of India and Pakistan. Now we move towards the eastern part of the Aravalli range. Eastern part we move towards the east of the Aravalli ranges. The middle part of the northern plain formed by the Ganga River and its tributaries. They are the Yamuna, the Ghaggar, the Koshi, the Gandak, the Son. This is the most fertile and alluvial plains in India, and that is why it is most densely populated. 7 out of every 10 Indian, it is said, are living in this area. See, whether it is UP, BR, and that is why people migrate also from there, because somewhere they don't get good opportunities, maybe because agriculture is the main occupation in this area. Secondly, these rivers, when we are doing, we will discuss in detail that they are causing a lot of destruction. Obviously, we are responsible for that. Now we move towards the easternmost portion of the North Indian plains, and that is the Brahmaputra plains. The eastern part of North Indian plain is formed by Brahmaputra river and its tributaries. Again, as I said earlier, we will be discussing the river in detail when we are doing the drainage pattern. But one of its distributary, Subanshri, or rather it is known as Subanshri here in India, plays a vital role. It forms the Ganga and Brahmaputra both together forms the largest delta in the world, and that is Sundarban. With this, we complete one type or one physical feature, and that is North Indian plains. Thank you.